Good morning, everybody. Today, our topic of discussion is string manipulation. So, string objects are immutable. Whenever you want to modify a string, you have to copy it into a string buffer or to use any one of the following method to do so. So, string object cannot be directly changeable or immutable. So, if you want to change the string, then you have to copy the string to a string buffer or any of these method. Which method? Substring. The substring method returns a new string which is a substring of the string. The substring method can be used in two different formats which are mentioned below. So substring is a method return a new string which is a substring of the string. The substring start index. This is a method. The start index specifies the index at which a substring will begin. The above format returns a copy of the substring which begins at start index and run to the end of the invoking string. The string, substring, start index and end index. These are the two arguments in a substring function. String is the class type and substring is the name of the function. Then two argument, integer start index and integer end index. The start index in the above format specify the beginning and end index specify the end point. The string written in this manner contain all the characters from the starting index and up to the ending index. Ending index not included. For example, public class modi string, public void main. So this is a computer application is a string or in a store in str string. So system.out.println. If I write string dot substring 2, so the output will be your computer application. Next is your concat function. The concat method concatenates the specified string to the end of the given string. So these are string, concat, string. This is the argument. Public class string cone, void, public void main. So here one string is there, computer application that is stored in string 1, and string 2 may have str1 string 1 dot concat for class 10th ICSE system.out.println str2 कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन। यहाँ पे क्या होगा देखो, str1 में क्या है, कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन है डॉट कॉनकेट और एक तो स्पेशल और एक तो स्ट्रिंग यहाँ पे मैंने पास किया है। तो कॉनकेट फंक्शन क्या करेगा, फर्स्ट स्ट्रिंग के साथ इसको जोड़ देगा। तो आउटपुट विल बी कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन फॉर क्लास 10th ICSE। ये किस लिए प्रिंट हुआ, बिकॉज जो मिला के जो दोनों अभी कंकेटेनेट हो गया वो कहाँ पे स्टोर है, str2 में स्टोर है, उसको यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले किया है system.out.println str2 computer application for class 10th ICSE. So this is your concat function. Next is trim function. This method is used to remove leading and trailing space from a string object. सो एक तो स्ट्रिंग का लेफ्ट एंड राइट साइड का व्हाइट स्पेस वो हटा देगा। देन स्ट्रिंग s1 इज इक्वल टू, देखो स्ट्रिंग ए बी सी डी एक तो स्ट्रिंग है, इस ए का पहले एक तो स्पेस है, डी के बाद एक तो स्पेस है, इन बिटवीन एक तो स्पेस है। सो देयर आर 6 स्पेसेस, there are 6 spaces, 1 2 3 4 5, total 6 characters are there, 6 spaces। system.out.println s1.length, ये क्या करेगा, लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग कितना शो करेगा, 4 कैरेक्टर और प्लस 4 पेज दैट इज 10। नेक्स्ट इज योर s1 इज इक्वल टू s1 ट्रिम। यहाँ पे हम लोग ट्रिम फंक्शन यूज किए हैं, तो ये क्या करेगा, s1 को प्रिंट करेगा। अभी s1 ट्रिम करने के बाद कितना हुआ, देखो 4 कैरेक्टर प्लस 2 स्पेस इक्वल टू 10 आ गया। Next is equal function. The equal method is used to check whether the object that is passed as the argument to the method is equal to the string object that invoke the method. It returns true if and only if the argument in a string object that represents the same sequence of character as represented by the invoking object. The signature of the equal method is as follows: public boolean equal, अंदर में argument देना है object string। So another is replace. This method is used to replace a character with another character throughout the string. String s1 equal to java, string s2 is equal to s1 dot replace a, replace with hash। तो यहाँ पे a, ये string में a जहाँ पे है उसके बदले यहाँ पे hash आ जाएगा। So now this will be out, java था j hash va, this will be the output। So replace function, it will replace a character mentioned in the function। Next is of index. The index of method searches for the first occurrence of a character or a substring in the invoking string. If a match is found, then the method returns the index at which the character or the substring first appear. Otherwise, it will return -1. The index of method has the following signature. So, public integer index of integer h, ch, public integer index of integer ch, integer start index, public integer index of string str, public integer index string str int start index, last index of. The last index of function method searches for the last occurrence of a character or a substring in the invoking string. If a match is found, then the method returns the index at which the character or the substring last appear. Otherwise, it returns -1. The last index of method has the following signature: public integer last index of integer ch, public integer last index of integer ch, integer start index, public integer last index of string str, public integer last index of. These are the syntax of index function. So index function method searches for the first occurrence of the character or a substring in the invoking string. If a match is found, then the method return the index at which the character is found. Otherwise, it will return -1. Next are some mathematical function. Java provides various mathematical function like cos, square root, sine, tan, etc. These functions are used through math class defined in Java long package. The functions should be used in the following syntax: math.function.name function. For example, double y is equal to math.square root of x. So void various math function are sin x, cos x, and tan xy. So sin x function returns the sine of angle x in radians. Cos x function returns the cosine of angle x in radians, and tan function returns the tangent of angle in radians. Thank you. Have a nice day.